In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add salary in Zoho Books. To get started, sign in to your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, make sure you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one. This helps ensure the salary entry is recorded in the right company file from the beginning. After that, click the plus button and choose Expenses. This is where you can manually record a salary payment as an expense transaction. If you're entering a payment that has already been made, this is the right place to document it clearly in your books. Now enter the date of the salary payment. Be sure to use the actual payment date so your records stay accurate for reporting, bank reconciliation, and month-end review. Using the correct date is especially important when you're tracking payroll expenses by month or year. Next, go to the expense account field. Here, choose the salary-related account that exists in your chart of accounts. Depending on how your books are set up, this could be something like salaries and employee wages, salaries and wages, or payroll expenses. The key is to select the account that best matches how your business tracks salary costs, so your financial reports remain organized and consistent. Once that's done, type in the salary amount. Double-check the number before moving on, especially if you're entering a net payment that has already been processed. A quick review here can help prevent corrections later. In the Paid Through field, select the bank account or cash account that was used to pay the employee. This connects the expense to the correct payment source and makes reconciliation much easier when you review your bank activity. If needed, you can also select the employee in the vendor field, but this is optional. This only applies if you've created employees as vendors in Zoho Books. If you haven't, you can simply leave that field as is and continue. Next, enter a reference number if you want to keep an internal record for the transaction. This can be useful for tracking payment confirmations or matching entries with payroll documentation. Then add notes or a description, such as June 2026 salary. Clear notes make it easier to identify the purpose of the expense later, especially when reviewing transactions in bulk. When everything looks good, click Save to record the expense. Finally, open the saved expense record and verify that all the details are correct, including the date, account, amount, and payment account. This final check helps confirm that the salary expense has been recorded properly. Thanks for watching.